Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make moringa juice from powder. To begin, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of high-quality moringa powder. Next, combine this powder with 8 to 12 ounces of your chosen liquid. Water, coconut water, or even a favorite fruit juice works wonderfully as a base. Stir or blend the mixture thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth and consistent drink. To enhance both flavor and nutritional value, consider adding a few simple ingredients. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can brighten the taste significantly. For a touch of sweetness, natural options like honey or maple syrup work perfectly. You can also blend in fruits such as banana or mango to create a delicious smoothie, or add a small piece of ginger or a few mint leaves for an invigorating twist. For the best results, always use cold liquids when mixing your moringa powder. This helps prevent clumping and better preserves its delicate nutrients. Blend the mixture thoroughly for at least 30 seconds to achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent texture. It is best to drink your moringa juice immediately after preparation to maximize the absorption of its beneficial compounds. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container for up to 24 hours. Moringa is truly a powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, vital minerals, and powerful antioxidants that support your overall well-being. Regular consumption can contribute to improved energy levels and a stronger immune system. For consistent health benefits, aim to enjoy 1 serving of moringa juice daily. Many find it a perfect addition to their morning routine, providing a nutritious start to the day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.